Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create AI animated stories for free and also fix common problems people face. So whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok or school projects, this method works perfectly. So first, you can choose a free AI animation tool. You can go to the animation tool or site like Kyber, Animaker free versions, or Canva AI like I do here. So most of them let you start for free, no credit card needed. And now you can just type or paste your story and keep your sentences short and visual, like describing the actions, emotions, and settings. For example, in here, I'm going to go with this one. A brave girls enter a dark forest where glowing eyes are watching. And in here, you can click on this option, create a video clip, and choose the style. So I'm going to use animated options, and you can adjust the duration. You can also change the framing and lighting. Here, I'm going to just click on generate. And then you can just let the AI generate your characters and background. So wait for the AI to animate your story. And after it's done, if something looks off, you can, for example, like weird faces or broken movements, you can adjust your prompt or style and regenerate. Okay, so now the generating process is done. You can preview the result by clicking on display button. As you guys can see, this is the final result. Now you can just add a free AI voice to narrate your story or just put subtitles, and this will make your animation more engaging. You can also edit it directly on Canva. And finally, you can download your video in HD. Click on this arrow down and you can share it on YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. And boom, your free AI animated story is ready. And if the AI won't load, you can clear the cache or switch browsers. And if there's a watermark, you can check if another free tool offers clean export. And for longer stories, you can split into scenes and combine it in CapCut or Canva. And that's how you can create AI animated stories for free. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.